Hello friend, welcome to Chetan EDU Center. Myself Chetan Mamrolia, Electrical and Electronic Maintenance Engineer in Cable Industries. Friends, today we will discuss the introduction of HT EHV cable. So, if you are new for this channel, please subscribe and go through the first video of this session. Now, today we will discuss mainly the process part of the manufacturing of the cable. Now, let me start with typical power system. Friends, you already know the electrical signal is generated at the generator side, then after the transmission line is there, then distribution side there is many substation is there, and from substation the customer will get the power supply. According to the requirement of customer, three phase supply or single phase supply will get from the substation. Now if you talk about the theoretical, then this is the theoretical diagram generation to the customer, three phase or single phase. If our signal is three phase, then 440 volt. If our signal is single phase, then 200 to 230 volt AC is there. So this is the typical power system, and in today's video we will discuss this is overhead line. If you want to convert this overhead line to the underground cable, then this video is most important because we have to design the cable, or this is the high power cable, so the different process is required for the manufacturing. Now this is the process flow chart. Friends, you already know whenever we want to design something, at that time the process flow is most important. Now in this diagram you can see here the aluminum or copper rod is easily available in market, near about 8 mm to 10 mm. The outer diameter of this rod is 8 mm to 10 mm. We have to reduce the outer diameter as per our requirement, and for that we require the wire drawing machine, or is simply called rod breakdown, means the full form RBD. RBD, the full form is rod breakdown machine, means we have to design the smaller size. Outer diameter is less than the 8 mm. We can design using drawing machine. Then second one is standing machine. Now standing is nothing but more than one rod is combine each other like a rope. It's known as standing machine. Then third one is known as insulation process. Here triple extruder system is required for the insulation process, and for that the particular dedicated line is required, CCV or CDCC. Friends, we will discuss this whole process in the different parts of video, so you can easily understand. In this video we will discuss about the different process. So this is third process. Then after the insulation there is a metallic tapping is there. For metallic tapping, copper or steel tapping machine is required. So this is the tapping, and the particular application is the particular application of the tapping machine. Why we use tapping, or all these things we will discuss in the next video. Now the fifth process is known as laying machine, and the machine name is drum twister machine. Using this machine we can combine more than one core each other with particular lay. Then the next process is known as inner sheathing, and for that the machine is required, and machine name is extruder. According to our size of cable we have to choose the extruder. And the next process is armoring. After the inner sheathing, the mechanical strength will be provided by this armoring, and the different type of armoring is there, GI strip or round wire, or the aluminum wire we can use for the armoring, and this is totally for the provide the mechanical strength to the cable, or protection to mechanical protection to the cable. Then final last most process is known as outer sheathing. Here you can see here extruder 1 and extruder. Here this both are same, but we can use as a inner sheathing as well as a outer sheathing, and we can change material also according to the material. We have to set the temperature profile in the extruder. We will discuss briefly in the next video also. Then after the extruder process, means after the outer sheathing, we have to embossing the all the details of the cable, like as metering, then after the company's logo as well as the capacity of the cable, then company's name. This all are we have to print on the final layer. After this machine, or after this process, our cable is ready for the testing. According to the requirement or size of the cable, we have to test our cable, and for that different laboratories and machinery is required for the testing. After testing is completion, complete test is completed, then packaging is there, then after final stage of the cable is dispatched. so we can dispatch our cable to the laying site. Friends, now you can see here the different types of cable: low voltage cable, then medium voltage cable, then high voltage cable, then next one is extra high voltage, then ultra high voltage. According to the voltage capacity or current carrying capacity or size of cable, we can differentiate in the different level. Now you can see here, or directly you can say that more than 35 kilovolt or 33 kilovolt, more than 33, or these all are known as each HV cable. So easily you can understand with process flow chart and how to manufacture the cable. And cable is nothing but it is a one type of transmission media. It carry the current from one place to another place. So our basic things to replace the transmission line, overhead transmission line to underground line, at that time this type of cable is required. Okay friend, thank you for watching this video. In next video we will discuss the briefly all the process in the step by step. Okay, thank you.